Washington, D.C. is a bustling city filled with traffic, construction, and constant activity. While this vibrant urban environment offers countless opportunities, it also comes with its fair share of noise pollution. For homeowners in Washington, D.C., noise from the streets, nearby construction sites, or public transportation can create an ongoing disruption to their daily lives. If you're struggling with noise disturbances in your home, window installation may be the solution to help you regain peace and quiet. Upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to reduce noise pollution. High-quality window installation can significantly decrease the amount of external noise that enters your home, creating a more serene and comfortable living environment. Here's how new window installation can help reduce noise pollution in your Washington, D.C. home. Soundproofing with double and triple pane windows. One of the main reasons that noise enters your home is the poor sound insulation of your existing windows. Many older homes in Washington, D.C. have single-pane windows, which offer minimal soundproofing. Sound travels easily through single-pane glass, allowing street noise, car traffic, and other external sounds to disrupt the peace inside your home. Double-pane or triple-pane windows are highly effective at blocking out external noise. These windows have multiple layers of glass, with air or insulating gas like argon between the panes. This design helps absorb sound waves, preventing them from penetrating through the glass and into your living spaces. Double-pane windows feature 2 layers of glass and are ideal for reducing noise by around 30–50% compared to single-pane windows. Triple-pane windows take soundproofing a step further by adding a 3rd layer of glass. This extra layer significantly enhances noise reduction, blocking up to 70% or more of external noise. If you live near a busy street, airport, or train station in Washington, D.C., double or triple pane windows can make a noticeable difference in reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. Laminated glass for enhanced sound insulation. Another effective option for reducing noise pollution in Washington, D.C. homes is laminated glass. Laminated glass features a layer of polyvinyl butyryl (PVB) plastic sandwiched between 2 panes of glass. This additional layer helps to absorb sound vibrations and significantly reduces noise transmission. Laminated glass is particularly effective at blocking out low-frequency sounds such as the hum of traffic or the rumble of construction machinery. It is commonly used in areas that require more robust soundproofing, such as homes in urban environments or near highways. Incorporating laminated glass into your window replacement can help create a quieter home by blocking more noise than standard double-pane windows. Improved window seals for noise reduction. Even if your windows are made of high-quality, soundproof glass, improperly sealed windows can still allow noise to enter your home. Old or poorly installed windows may have gaps around the frame that let in both air and sound. Even the smallest gaps can allow external noise to penetrate and disrupt the tranquility of your home. When installing new windows, professional installers ensure that the windows are properly sealed with high-quality weather stripping and caulking around the frame. These seals help prevent noise from leaking into your home and improve your window's overall soundproofing capabilities. Proper installation is crucial to ensuring that your windows deliver the maximum noise reduction. Reducing noise in high traffic areas. Washington, D.C. is home to some of the busiest streets and neighborhoods in the country. If your home is located near a major thoroughfare, bus station, or train track, you're likely experiencing unwanted noise. Traffic noise, honking horns, and the sounds of passing buses and trains can create significant disturbances. By replacing your old windows with noise-reducing options, you can block out these disturbances and create a quieter home. Installing new windows in areas most affected by noise, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices, can help improve comfort and increase productivity. Increased property value and attractiveness to potential buyers. Installing windows that reduce noise pollution not only improves your quality of life but can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes that offer peace and quiet, especially if the property is located in an urban area where noise pollution is common. Homes with soundproofing features, such as double-pane windows or laminated glass, are appealing to buyers looking for a comfortable and quiet living environment. The added benefit of a more serene home can make your property more competitive in the real estate market and potentially increase its resale value. Comfort and health benefits. Living in a noisy environment can have negative effects on both your mental and physical health. Chronic noise exposure has been linked to increased stress levels, disrupted sleep, and even cardiovascular problems. By installing soundproof windows, you can reduce the stress caused by external noise and create a more relaxing atmosphere inside your home. Better sleep. Reduced noise leads to fewer interruptions during sleep, allowing you to rest better and feel more refreshed in the morning. Improved mental health. Less exposure to noise pollution can help reduce stress and anxiety, leading to an overall improvement in your emotional well-being. By investing in new windows designed to block out external noise, you're not just improving your home's aesthetics and value but also enhancing your overall health and well-being. Conclusion. If noise pollution is affecting your comfort in your Washington, D.C. home, window installation is one of the most effective solutions to create a quieter living environment. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows, laminated glass, or high-quality window seals can significantly reduce external noise, improve your home's energy efficiency, and enhance its overall comfort. Whether you live near a busy street, train station, or construction zone, new windows can help you block out unwanted noise and create a peaceful, serene home. Invest in high-performance windows today to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living space in Washington, D.C.